Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S23 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, you decided to pick up the Galaxy S23 Ultra and you're looking for some cases to protect your beautiful device. Look no further. Today I will be reviewing the Spigen Ultra Hybrid OneTap ring case. It's a MagSafe case that shows off the beauty of your phone. I'll have links in the description. You can get this case from Amazon. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does it fit? Does it have bulk? We'll also test out the magnet strength on here just to see how good the magnet is on this case. Now again, I don't get the big deal about MagSafe. I am not going to charge my phone with this sticking to it or even a battery pack sticking to it. I just don't get it. But I wanted to pick it up because I know people like MagSafe cases even for their Android devices, so why not try it out? Maybe even use it for a little bit. But let's get into it. Again, nice packaging from them. I don't know what happened there. Amazon or something. Looks like they try to eat it or something. Maybe try to get into it. I'm not sure. But here is the case itself. And this is one thing too with the MagSafe cases is now you have a black ring around your phone. But, oh, I ripped up the tab. All right, let me try to get this tab off. All right, so it will show off the beauty of your phone, except for you have a big round circle around it. But this plastic is definitely hard. You have a little brand in there. I do like how the power button is ridged. That is a nice touch. But let's see how this thing fits. Nice and snug. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. I do like how precise that camera cutout is. You get lid protection also a little bit at the top and the bottom. You can see the brand in there, Spigen. The overall fit is nice and snug. Yeah, this is definitely fitting good. Trying to get this off. It takes a lot to get that off. So it's definitely fitting great. The power button is easy to press. The vine rockers are nice and tactile. Again, I like how the power button is ridged. That makes a big difference. Everything at the bottom lines up. The pen is easy to get out. And I mentioned this in a lot, but this one comes almost down to the frame, but it comes down enough so that way, even if you don't have fingernails, you can get into the pen and get it out easily. But as you can tell, everything lines up. That is a side profile of it. What y'all think about that? I guess this could be white, but I'm glad it's black. Does it add bulk to your phone? No, this is definitely not a bulky case. The microphone at the top lines up. Also, it has air cushion technology, even says it up there. So that's a good thing with these cases too. On each corner, you have that technology to try to take the impact of your fall if you're dropping your phone, you know. Now this one doesn't have like extra grip, but it doesn't feel like it's going to slip out my hands either, if that makes sense. Now let's see about the MagSafe. Oh, that magnet is pretty strong. Definitely not going anywhere. And as you can tell, it is charging your phone. So you can charge your phone with it, and the magnet is strong. The great thing about this little magnet thing too, it has a little kickstand. But this is not a review for the magnet or the charger, but that actually works pretty good on there. Look at that, it shows off the beauty of your phone too. So what y'all think about this case? This is the Ultra Hybrid OneTap ring. I don't know why they call it OneTap or for whatever reason why they call it OneTap, but there you go. Definitely a MagSafe case here. Something from Spigen. Yeah, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. Like I said, you can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.